Welcome, guys. So today we are trying to prove this Legendre duplication formula. So before I prove, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button and leave the comment below. Yeah, the comment just say that what you have learned today. Okay, so this is the Legendre formula. Duplication formula, and then we will use the beta function. So if you're not familiar with beta function, then you can go back to my previous video. The link should I already leave the link below. Okay, so yeah, but actually this is the first time I see this formula. So the duplication formula say that gamma z plus 1 gamma z plus a half is square root of pi divided by 2 to a 2z gamma 2z plus 1. Okay, so let me remind you guys. So PPQ in our definition is basically we use this P minus 1 1 minus t Q minus 1 dt. Okay, so if we plug z plus half, z plus a half, then 0 to 1, then z minus half, 1 minus z minus 1 minus t to a z minus a half dt. Okay, then we make a strange substitution by t just equal to 1 plus s divided by 2. So this thing become this. I think I don't. Okay, maybe I provide some detail. Okay, so it's the denominator is 2 to the negative z. Okay, and then so when t equals to 0, then your s is minus 1. Okay, so it becomes this. And when t equals 1, yes, it's 1. Okay, so we get this, right? We get if we combine both. Okay, so this is half ds. Right, so then this is 2 to the negative 2z. You see there are 2z but minus 1. So this minus 1 will cancel with this one. So finally you get this. Okay. Okay, so we get this. And this is the even function, right? So we can change it to 0 to 1 and times 2. So we get this. Get this. And finally, once we see this, right? See this. This is basically be half z plus 1 over 2. The reason is that 1 over 2 here give you. Okay, yeah. So maybe well, we finally check this step is correct. Okay, so we use this formula. So this is p plus 1. There's another formula is x to the 2p plus 1 minus x squared cube. Right. So now we are trying to reproduce this term. So let me just write it down carefully, and then we can check. Okay. So we want to reproduce this, right? So it seems like that the x is just s squared, right? So we want the 2p. Okay. So this is okay. So bp plus 1 q plus. So if we let 2p plus 1 equals 0, right? P is a half, right? So this is b a half, and the q is just z minus half. So but this is q plus 1, right? So it's z, and then there's a 2 here. Okay, so we get this. Okay. Okay, so that means we have this. Let me just write down half equals to a negative z, b a half. And remember that we already showed that the gamma bpq is just gamma pq. Okay, so we just plug in, then this term become this term become this, and then cancel both. So we cancel this one, and then we also remember that the gamma half is square root of pi. Okay, so we can combine. So now we have what? We have gamma z plus a half, gamma 2z plus 1, 2 to a negative 2z square root of pi, gamma z plus 1. So finally we times this and this, right, equals to square root of pi 2 to the 2z gamma 2z plus 1. Okay, so finally we have reached this. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.